How you doing, Cali Crowd? It's been a while since I've done one of these day zero style videos to kick off learning a new calisthenics skill. And some of you who have been around on this channel for a while might be thinking, what the hell, you can handstand already? And honestly, I don't know where you would have got that idea. In all seriousness, no, the handstand is a great skill that I managed to learn by entering it from a frog stand. This is something that I am very proud of, but it also takes a lot of energy to get into the handstand this way. So if I ever attempt to learn more advanced calisthenics skills, this method of entry would dent my capacity to work at higher volumes. More to the point though, is that initial challenge that I set myself over a year ago was to kick up into a handstand, and I still want to be able to achieve that. The issue with this challenge though, is that I want to keep it challenging. I can already handstand. And actually in week 1 of my initial handstand challenge, I managed to kick up into a fluke of a 6-second handstand. So my main focus here is actually being able to kick up into a handstand on demand. On that basis then, the actual goal I've set myself is to be able to kick up into a handstand, hold that handstand for 10 seconds, and do this in 4 out of 6 consecutive attempts. I figured a 67% success rate when it comes to kicking up into a handstand is decent and will allow me to really focus on nailing that handstand hold time, which will form the basis of me learning more advanced handstand work. And my process for achieving this challenge will predominantly be hinged on 2 exercises that I've mentioned on this channel quite a few times already. Firstly, the back to wall handstand in order to nail the mechanics of the kick up to handstand. And then the chest to wall handstand, which I'll use to build familiarity with the correct body line position, leveraging that tactile feedback that the wall provides, while maintaining tension throughout the whole body. And I'll keep you posted. If you haven't already, check out how my other calisthenics skills challenges went. I've got a few of those now, so definitely check out those in the meantime. And guys, I'll see you in the next one.